everyone. Today I am going to show you how I do a DIY project. I am making it for Christmas for Warren. Hopefully he doesn't see me or hear me. I know I have a week to get this done before Christmas because I wanted to surprise him then. I'm going to make some find some tile around my property, spray paint it, and de-rust these things. I had these old gas pipe leg things for last, so they're about, let's say, maybe a foot long. So anyways, stay tuned and I'll show you how I do it. Alright y'all, first step is to sand everything. Half of this piece of wood here is from a table that we just stored in here, but it warped like crazy and broke in half. So I'm gonna sanded it. Now I'm gonna spray paint it. The legs are gonna be black and back to their original color, and then I'm gonna spray paint the footstool. Next step to this project is hurry up and wait until everything is bone dry. As you see, I did spray paint it, and the next step is for tomorrow. See you then.